First Republic appears to be looking for other options. That is according to Reuters. They say the bank is looking at several options, such as selling assets or the creation of a bad bank. A source familiar with the matter told Reuters yesterday, the 25th of April. However, analysts have highlighted several roadblocks which could complicate rescue efforts for the San Francisco-based lender as it looks to emerge out of its crisis sparked by an outflow of more than $100 billion in deposits in the first quarter of this year, 2023. At least three brokerages have cut their price targets on First Republic shares since it reported the first quarter earnings on Monday, the 24th. So they also saying that advisors have lined up potential purchasers of the bank's new stock, and we have short interest of the stock at 30.28%. So right now, it plunged further in this pre-market session. Yes, in this pre-market session, reaching the lows of 5.84 and has continued to recover, even though it's faced some headwinds around 7.38. This is the 1 minute live chart. Yes, so it has a potential to we have projections of 8.05 on this 1 minute live chart, and also downward projections of 6.81, and for the downward projection of 6.33. So let's look at the daily chart and see what is there that will give us a good, help us to paint a better picture. So it's now below its most extreme downward projection of 11.26. This is the daily chart. So let's have a look at the weekly chart and see what is there. Let's see, that is also the case, also below its most extreme downward projection. I think what this may be portraying or maybe indicating is that yes, there's a good chance the stock might continue to retrace further for a couple of weeks to come. There's a good chance that might be the case. Yeah, that might be the case. But they are also trying to get the bigger banks to get involved by their toxic assets. They're by their toxic assets. The bonds they bought, betting that the interest rates wouldn't rise. That's what they want to see other banks buy, and they're trying to scare them into doing so by saying, if you don't buy these toxic assets we have, these bonds we have, it's going to affect you. It's going to lead into a domino effect. That's what they are trying to tell the bigger banks, say those ones that infused around $30 billion into it. So this is what's going on Twitter. Okay, it says the advisors have lined up potential purchasers. That's what we told you about as well. Let's see downgrades for FRC. Yes, okay, advisors have lined up. Yes, First Republic stocks rock. Okay, yes, all of those already. Okay, another grim day ahead for First Republic following dismal earnings, with a $72 billion drop in deposits. Okay, yes, all those things. All of those. It's funny how the entire market trades off just a single stock. Okay, if it is above $7 futures rally, and Nasdaq is up 1%, as FRC drops below $6 futures gets dumped, and even Nasdaq quickly drops to just 0.6. Algo trading is ridiculous. Okay, so we're quoting what people have here on Twitter. Okay, FRC shares hit record low after deposits pool. Okay, all of those. Yeah, all of those. Okay, so let's see what's going on right now. It's currently at 6.85. Yes, it's indeed. Yes, it plunged to record lows of 5.86 and has pulled up again now at 6.86, slightly above its one of its projections of 6.75, and also above its most extreme downward projection of 6.28. Definitely those who could bought this dip of 5.88. So Indeed, there's a good chance, the stock may continue to retrace, where the bottom is. We don't exactly know, but uh, some market participants see this as an opportunity to trade something out. So just really be careful with the way you're trading with trading FRC stock, and I'll continue to update you. And thank you very much for watching this video.